It's Tony. You're in PopPop's workshop. We're talking about upgrades from 2023, end of the year. We're going to talk about a few of the tools we've upgraded, a couple of the products, and let you know what we thought of them. So let's get into the video. Okay, so in no particular order because I can't remember when we got them. I know we got them this year, but first on my list is we upgraded from our Porter cable brushless drill driver combo to this Makita Compact. I love the Makita line. These definitely are going to have friends soon, hopefully, but if you get a chance, check out the Makita line. We have not been disappointed by these at all. Yeah, can't say enough good things, and you just can't pick up a drill without doing that. All right, so next on the list is these Matchfit Dovetail Clamps. We got these fairly early in 2023. I can't remember exactly when, but with a drill bit, or not drill bit, but a dovetail router bit, I think it's 14 degree. You can make any tabletop ready for these. We even took an old sled and turned it into a jointer sled. Since we don't have a jointer here, that has been a game changer for the way we straighten boards here in PopPop's workshop. So we highly recommend the Matchfit clamps. In fact, anything by Micro Jig, you're just not going to go wrong with it. So yeah, these were a great upgrade this year. And the upgrade to our PPE this year was we went over to RZ Mask. So we've been using these for a full year, about a full year. Yeah, pretty close. Again, I can't remember the exact time, but I know we got them early on, and we're even an affiliate for RZ Mask, so we'll have a link in there in case you want to check them out. These are great. They're easy to change out the filters on. Very comfortable. I wear it all the time, not just here in the shop, but many of you know I work at the Woodcraft in Iowa City. Sometimes we're doing some planing there on the job, and I wear it then as well. So if you get a chance, check out RZ Mask. One of the nice kits that we got gifted to us this year was from Montana Brands. This is their deluxe woodworker kit. These drill bits, absolutely amazing. They're phenomenal. The drill driver, of course, you know, it's great for taking your impact and turning it into a drill driver setup. So that's great. They send you extra drill bits, extra plug cutters, or not plug cutters, but counter bores. And then you do have the plug cutters, which I've tried those out. They work incredibly as well. So all around, if you're a woodworker, this is the kit I would recommend. I'll put a link in there where you could pick one of these up. We even, I think, have a discount code for that. So check out the discount code and pick up yourself a set of Montana brand tools. All right, so we talked about having a new mask to protect our lungs, but we've also upgraded our dust collection twice this year. Earlier in the year, I got a barrel upgrade to my Dust Pro, a dust hopper, because I was tired of dumping 5-gallon buckets a lot, but it did great, but it just didn't have the suction that it had before. Obviously, larger barrel, that's going to affect your suction. So recently, the Woodcraft had a few of these on sale, so we picked up one of these Jet Cyclone Diverters, and this thing has worked amazing, especially considering it's just powered off our little shop vac, like 6-gallon Bauer shop vac that we've had forever. So I can't wait to see what this will do when we've got it hooked up to a normal dust collection, which hopefully we'll upgrade that into this next year, and then maybe that can go into a miter saw station dust collection. So we'll see how that works, but can't be disappointed by either of those dust collection options this year. We can file this next one under quality of life improvements in the shop. We've got this remote control that goes to turn off and on our lights, if I remember the buttons right, as well as remote control for the shop vac. So that's been great. I can come in the door, throw a switch, push 2 buttons, and I got all the lights on. Could it be easier? Yes, but this is way easier than having to throw a bunch of switches in here to turn everything on. That's been, like I say, a great quality of life improvement for us. And this one comes from Dewenwils. There'll be a link in there. I think we might even have a product discount code on this one that I'll try to include in the description. Okay, so another product from Dewenwils that we got this year was this 50-foot cord reel. This has been great because, as many of you know, I didn't have enough outlets to do everything that was happening over in this corner. But not only do I have enough outlets now with this, but I have the option to take power to any corner in the shop if I should need extra power. I got 50 feet of hose to go, or cord rather, to go anywhere. And I can even take it through this little opening here out into the garage should I need extra power out there. So that's another great quality of life improvement here in the shop. I highly encourage you to get those. And I believe I might have a discount code for that one as well. I'll throw it in the description if I can find it. And as far as shop furniture upgrades, we had some friends that had some sink-based cabinets, 2 of them with a countertop to match. So they've been in here for a while, as you can tell by the dirt and the accumulation of flat top, put things on flat surfaces thing we got going on. I've got to do some work on these this year, but in the meantime, I've been able to store things in there. I've got some drawers that I need to build for these false fronts. So there's some projects involved in getting this fully up and useful in the shop, but it's already been very useful at collecting things. So that was an upgrade for the shop this year as well. All right, a final thing on our list, the last thing, it was also a gifted product to us this year, is our Wizmaker 20-watt laser engraver cutter. So I'm almost ready to get this thing up and running. I have a couple little tweaks yet to do to the belts. And then we're going to be cutting things with light. So this has been probably the most exciting thing that's happened this year. Not to take anything away from all the other things you've seen on this list. Every one of them has been incredibly invaluable in the shop for us. But this one is going to make 2024 a much more productive, hopefully much more profitable year for PopPop's workshop. So looking forward to more videos to come on the Wizmaker as well as all the other products, and we'll put links in the description so that you can find these great products for yourself. So thanks for watching. We appreciate you taking time to watch us run around the shop and give you a little tour on some of the things we've upgraded. Hopefully next year we'll have even more things at the end of the year that we can talk about as upgrades to PopPop's workshop then. But thanks again for watching, and remember, you can do this.